Did you know that poor time management can cost you thousands of dollars per year? From missed deadlines to wasted hours, ineffective time management can have a serious impact on your finances. So, how can you start managing your time more effectively and saving money? First, it's essential to understand where your time is going. Track your daily activities for a week to see where you can make improvements. Next, prioritize your tasks using the Eisenhower matrix. Focus on urgent and important tasks first, and delegate or eliminate less important ones. Another key strategy is to avoid multitasking, which can reduce productivity by up to 40%. Instead, use the Pomodoro technique to work in focused 25-minute increments, followed by a 5-minute break. You can also save money by meal planning and prep, avoiding impulse purchases, and using cashback apps. By implementing these time management skills and strategies, you can optimize your finances, reduce stress, and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching. If you found these time management tips helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more personal finance content. Leave a comment below with your favorite productivity hack, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos.